Congratulations on receiving a DH sectional antenna. This video will help you assemble the antenna correctly. The mount must first be secured in the birdbath position by strapping it to the base post. Lift the section of antenna with a pilot hole and line the holes to the mount holes on the block and the pilot hole and the holes on the dish. Insert 1/2 inch by 3 inch bolts from the top of the dish down, inserting a rubber washer on top and below the dish between the block and the dish. Install the back braces from the mount to the edge of the dish section and only finger tighten the nuts so they can be adjusted if needed. Lift the next section of dish onto the mount, matching the sticker numbers and aligning the holes, and then inserting the 3-inch bolts. Using a tapered punch helps to line up the holes on the ribs while installing the 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch bolts. After a few are fastened, install the back braces. Install splice straps at the edge of the dish at each splice on all sections of the dish. There may be a gap in the sections during assembly. By using vice grips, you can help pull those together. Using a cordless drill will speed up the fastening of the bolts on the ribs. You may loosen the strap to tilt the dish forward to finish tightening the bolts on the ribs if you choose to. Never force the bolts into the holes on the ribs. This may warp the dish. Simply realign the holes with a tapered punch and fasten all the nuts and bolts. When you are finished tightening up the bolts on the ribs, you will have to lay the dish back in a birdbath position and secure the mount back to the base post. Installing the feed assembly while the dish is in the birdbath position is easiest. Have your lightest guy get up into the dish and use every other hole that you've used already for the feed assembly. Please refer to your instruction manuals for this and to find out which holes on this mount you will need to use. Remember to double check all nuts and bolts on the complete system and tighten them once you have the dish locked into the correct satellite.